Hi everyone, here is step-by-step guide how to using bonfire.com website to design your next favorite custom shirt. So first of all, click on get started at the top right corner, and after that in the new window that appear you can see welcome to Bonfire, how would you like sell online, start a fundraiser, place an order. So I prefer using sell online. So now bonfire.com give me choice. Do you want to sell one or multiple designs? I prefer using create a store and click on continue. And now you need create an account to continue. So you can using sign in with Google or Facebook, or using your name and email and password. So I prefer using sign in with Google. Click here, click on agree to Bonfire policy, click on continue to Google, and after that choosing website that you want to use to sign up new account. So let me choose what are you using Bonfire for personal use, for business or organization, as a content creator. For example, as a content creator. And after that, what's the best way to describe the content you create? For example, podcast. And after that, what's your social handle or business name? Mr. Cash. Do you have 10,000 followers on at least on social media? No yet. Continue. Alright, now you can see your studio of Bonfire, and then you can click on create my store button. So after that, Bonfire offer me typing name of my store, for example Mr. Cash. Click on continue, create your store. Okay, so now in the new window that appear you can see your store is almost ready. Customize your store, create a campaign, publish and share. Okay, let's go. Okay, choose your product layout, expand or compact. Okay, choose expanded. So now on this page you can customize your store. For example, click on store settings at the top left corner, and after that change your title if you want, subtitle, and of course your URL. Click on save settings. After that you can also click on save store at the top right corner, and after that let me click on edit header right here. And here you can choose layout, color full white, or keep aspect ratio, for example this one, but I prefer using color full white. And scroll down until you find background image section, and here you can choose background of your layout. For example, click choose it and choose my design. For example, this one. Change opacity of your photo, scroll down and choose color theme. And of course you can click on custom, change text color, and of course change background color. For example, this one. Scroll down and here you can off store title, image, or just text. And also you can disable subtitle. So now you can upload a logo, change about of your site, add a social link, add a URL. And if I scroll down, I can add a short headline, for example 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. I can add a header, add text, upload photo, embed video. But I delete this block. So let me click on create a campaign. Wait. So once you're here, you can click on pick product right here and scroll down and just add a product. For example, I prefer using pullover hoodie. For example, Indigo. Okay. Click on add text. Now I prefer typing here. For example, Mr. Cash. Click on add text right here and then just customize it. For example, this. So now I wanna click on find graphics. Click on this. For example, like this. And of course you can click on upload art. And here you can see its file guidelines 1500 pixel by 1500 500 pixel. Original vector artwork works best if you have it, and this support is AI, EPS, PDF, PNG. So for example, click on plus icon and here click on Google. For example, I prefer using this picture. I do right click here and click on save image to download, return to my website and click choose a file right here, click on downloads, find here a picture that I want to use, click on upload button, click on this checkbox and after that upload. Change color on white, transform it, delete this one, for example, like this, and after that click on next button. And on this page, bonfire.com offer me how would you like orders to be sent out, and here you can choose on in batch or on demand. I prefer using on demand, and after that change price here of your clothes and click on next button. And what I would like to make money or fundraiser. I prefer using make money. And after that click on tips if you want, and what's to describe your campaign. Example, business, entertainment, creator, and of course you can choose here, for example, TikTok, YouTube. Okay, so now you can ship in options in standard, yes, and also you can enable this function like enable order referrals. At checkout, buyers will be able to choose who referred them to your campaign from this list, but I don't prefer using this. Click next button. So now you can click to add title, Mr. Cash, for example. Describe Mr. Cash, and click on launch button at the top right corner. So as you can see in the new windows that appear, here's a link on your website, notify your previous buyers that you launched a new campaign, and then click on this checkbox like I agree to Bonfire policy. Click here. So alright, your store is ready. Click on save and publish at the top right corner, and bonfire.com is publishing on your website. So congratulations, you're open for business. And you can share on social, send a link, and also can click on view my store. And now you can just click on your hoodie and just click to add to cart. So I hope it helps convert this new video or this playlist.